We have airdrop updates to go and talk, as well as claiming over on Solana starting today. So we just said we jump straight onto the laptop. The first thing that I do want to talk about is the Union tokenomics. As we see over here, very quickly, just a quick walkthrough. 20 billion token with 2 billions up front, so 20%, 10 billion token, 2 billions up front at the TGE with so a 20%, and the ecosystem or the airdrop, the community one, is going to be 12% of that, of the total, which is actually really nice. This is a nice airdrop allocation from Union, so congratulations to them. No clicks online yet to go and claim. Checker, nothing. Do not click anything that you see online. Please make sure to go and be careful. One airdrop that you can already go and claim though is the Sun Layer airdrop, the Sunrise Layer airdrop right here. The link will be down below. There's only 2 important steps that you gotta do. Connect your MetaMask wallet, connect your Twitter, click over to next, and check whether or not you're eligible or not. If you are, let me know your total allocation down below of how many tokens of eligibility you have. One other thing is to go and get yourself the free money that I do have over on Wix. They are offering a 100% position trading bonus, which means you deposit $100, you get $100 for free. You deposit $200, you get $200 for free. And you don't even have to go and trade with the money you deposit. You can simply get the position airdrop for free, get the money, and start a trade with that and make money with the free money that you get. And also for all of you that do want to go and trade, I have created, as we see right here, a free dedicated Telegram channel. So simply come and join. And as we see here, there are all the charts for you to go and check. Price analytics, technical analysis, price chart, everything for free. The link is down below. So if you're into trading or want to simply start learning a little bit, make sure to come over to Wix. It's a non-KYC exchange, meaning anybody can literally jump in and trade from anywhere in the world. And you get a 100% position bonus airdrop. Deposit 100, get 100 for free, and start trading. So super easy, and it's free money. Why not? Talking about one of the airdrop that we can go and claim here is the Huma Finance airdrop that have announcing the season 1 airdrop, as we see. And this is the season 0 airdrop. Husa has achieved 6 billion in PayFi, and now they're rewarding the liquidity providers, the Huma stakers, ecosystem partners, and the community. So this is the season 1 airdrop. And as we see right here, we got 2 possibilities to go and claim. First of all, the snapshot was taken on August 23rd, and for the Kaito Yappers on August 26th. You can start claiming today on August 26th, 1 p.m. UTC time. So by the time this video goes live, you are able to go and claim it. The second part will be on September 2026. September 2025, September 26th, which means 1 month from now, and the claiming ends in exactly 2 months on October 26th. So very important. Make sure to go and participate. The distribution breakdown of the 2.1% of the total token supply of Huma, 68% of the 2.1% will go to the liquidity providers and the Huma stakers, 22% to the ecosystem partners, and 10% to the community and the yappers. This is how the season 1 airdrop is broken down. The link will be down below. Come over here, connect your wallet. It is believed to be the Phantom wallet. And if you are eligible for it, here you will see it, Huma airdrop, not eligible. If you are eligible, you will see it right here, eligibility for it. So let me know down in the comments below if you are eligible, and if you are, how many tokens are you eligible for. So I want to know how good you've done it over on the Solana type of things ecosystem. But Huma is really good, and it actually did print really well since it came out to the moment that now we are doing right now. Next up, we do have a very important update over on Stargate. Now listen closely, because this could be the Stargate season 2 airdrop, the layer 0 season 2 airdrop as well. As we see here, the Stargate token can be converted directly over on the over to layer 0, which is absolutely incredible. And if we go over here, which by the way, you can go and do it from also the page that it is dedicated over there, and it is super nice. So what we have here is that the redemption process is officially open. The Stargate holders can now convert at a fixed rate of 1 Stargate token to 0.086340 token. Simply follow the step, go to the Stargate Finance, always ensure your official website. So we can go to this one again to go and showcase you. So I had a little bit of a hiccup there. And then step 2, click on connect wallet on the top right, which we do see right here, which it is already connected. Select your preferred wallet, MetaMask, etc. And then if your Stargate is not on Ethereum mainnet, you'll prompt to transfer. So everything needs to be transferred over to the Ethereum mainnet, which is what they want. And then you can go and, have I got it here, for example, the pending rewards, which I can go and claim. If you're still utilizing, make sure to go and claim your pending rewards, which it is important to go and do. And then you can also go, as we see here, and stake your Stargate token. But the important thing is that you go and do this transferring. If you have the possibility to transfer it, your Stargate token, you will have it right here, which I personally do not have it, so I don't see it. But if you do, you have it right here. As we see, the step 1 is to connect your wallet and then transfer all the Stargate token from any other, for example, Arbitrum to Ethereum, and then convert from the Stargate token only on Ethereum. This is the important thing, only on Ethereum, but you can go and do this. And as we see here, important notes and disclaimers: once you redeem the Stargate token to 0, the transaction cannot be undone. So this is it. You can go and do a swap later, yes, but this transaction is undone. You are solely responsible for any tax obligation that you may occur in the swap. This is potentially to do with the profit that you make from unstacking and swapping, etc. And you can ensure participation is permitted under the law, etc. So these are the basic things that you need to go and do. But it is how this Target token can be redeemed for the layer 0 in case you have none. As you see here, I don't have any. Therefore, I am not eligible for it, nor I can even showcase you actually what we can do right here on the documents. Nonetheless, this is very important because I do believe this one will pave the way for a Stargate Season 2 as well as a Layer 0 Season 2 airdrop coming in the next few days. So very, very important for that one. And as always, for the end of the video, make sure to go and get yourself the trading over on Owelto. Very, very important to go and do the trading, whether you're from Linea to, let's say, for example, here, Linea to Arbitrum. And why do I keep on saying this? Because I am sure that the airdrop is going to come real, real soon. And if I were them, so I'm acting as if I were them, I would simply go and not give any funds to anybody that basically haven't done a swap for the last 4 to 6 months, simply because people in that case were simply to go and be done on a way that, oh, we're just doing this for the airdrop. So that is my occasion, that is my thought about it. But of course, let me know what you think down in the comments below. We are having a lot of airdrop updates, and especially we have this MetaMask and this Linea airdrop coming very, very soon, which is absolutely phenomenal. So make sure that you stay tuned for that. In the coming days, there will be a lot of things. I am opening up a lot to the trading because I do like trading a lot. And now that I have this possibility to partner and also give you 100% deposit back guarantees, all that, it is really, really important. And yes, what you see, for example, over on Breakout, which is a prop firm, you can check it down in the link down below. They are different type. There is an exchange, there is a prop firm. So it's up to you which one you want to go and select. And I try to give you the best. I try to give you the best value. I try to give you the best deals that they come with me. 100% deposit bonus is absolutely amazing. If you deposit $100, you get $100 for free. It's absolutely amazing to go and trade. So you can simply trade and the profit is withdrawable. So if you trade and you make money, the monies are just for you. That's why I do like to partner with them, because they have a lot of these, interesting campaigns for all of you. But with that said, guys, thank you very much for watching. I will see you all in tomorrow's video because the updates never stop coming. And thank you for watching. Ciao, ciao.